Ever wondered how to make the classic Indian dish butter chicken at home? Today, we're diving into a simple but authentic recipe that will transport your taste buds straight to the bustling streets of Delhi. For this recipe, you'll need boneless chicken, plain yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, a blend of spices including chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and garam masala, salt, butter, vegetable oil, and onion, tomatoes, heavy cream, and fresh coriander leaves. Begin by preparing a marinade. Blend together your yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, cumin, garam masala, and salt in a bowl. Add your bite-sized chicken pieces to this mix, ensuring they're thoroughly coated. Once done, pop this in the fridge for at least an hour. This marinating process infuses the chicken with a powerful punch of flavors, creating the base for our butter chicken. Next, we move on to the cooking process. Heat your butter and oil in a pan over medium heat. Add finely chopped onions and sauté until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This caramelization process adds a sweet undertone to our dish. Now, it's time to introduce our marinated chicken to the pan. Cook until it's browned on all sides, absorbing the flavors of the onion and butter. Up next is the tomato puree. Pour this in and let it cook for another 10 minutes until the sauce begins to thicken. The acidity of the tomatoes cuts through the richness of the dish, balancing the flavors. Lastly, stir in your heavy cream. This provides a velvety richness to the dish, tying together all the flavors. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Finish off by garnishing with fresh coriander leaves. This adds a pop of color and a hint of freshness. And voila, your homemade butter chicken is ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with rice or naan and savor the harmony of flavors. So, there you have it, an easy and delicious butter chicken recipe that you can whip up right in your own kitchen. A dish that's rich, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. Just remember, good food takes time, so be patient with your marination and simmering processes, as these are key to achieving that restaurant-style butter chicken at home. Now go ahead, give it a try, and let the aroma of this classic Indian dish fill your kitchen. Bon appétit!